Hi, welcome to HDFLVPlayer. Now I'll be showing how to install a Joomla component. Okay, so here is a fresh install of Joomla. Let me log into administrator. Right, so now let me go to extensions, install or uninstall. Let me click choose file. Now I have already downloaded the Joomla component and have it here. Let me select the file component and let me say upload. Okay, now it is installed successfully on this website. So let me have a look how it looks like. Okay, now we are seeing the newly installed component for HDFLV Player here. Now it's empty, the videos are empty, so it's still spinning without showing any videos. So now let's go and add videos. I'll show you how to add videos. Components HDFLV Player. Let me click videos. Let me click on new video. Okay, here I see four methods to upload or add videos. One is to upload files directly. Another one is giving the URL, a direct URL for the videos, and we can also give YouTube videos, YouTube URL here. Let me show you how to let me add a video by using the URL function. Sample video. HTTP. It's an external URL to the video. Let me give the thumb. Okay, now let me save this. Okay, I have added the video. Now let me see how it looks. Let me refresh this page. Okay, now it's playing. Okay, now let me go there and let me add a YouTube videos. Let me select YouTube. Let me give the title. Let me add the URL YouTube videos. Yes. Let me click save. Let me go back. Let me say refresh. Okay, now it plays YouTube videos. Great. So it seems that it plays the latest video as of our default video here. Let me see whether I have an option to change that. Okay, I would like to have 300 as a default video. Let me select this. Let me say default. Let's see. Yep, now it plays 300 as the default, having YouTube besides. Okay, let me see what else we have. Okay, here it is, player settings. I'll show you how to control the player. Let me click edit. Okay, so here on this we have an option to control the buffer time. For example, either you can increase or decrease the buffer time. You can control the player size, and here it is. This is interesting. We have something called aspect ratio, original size, fit to screen. You can select these three options, one of these options, whatever you like. So we have given options for both normal screen scale and for full screen scale. So you can select as per your wish. It's better to always to have aspect ratio, okay, for both. You can have whether auto as you wish. If you want, you can enable autoplay or you can disable autoplay options. You can set the minimum volume control here. Logo position, you can set whether if you want to have the logo right, the bottom left or bottom right, whatever, you can set that. You can give the FFmpeg path here, and you can upload the logo here for your player, and you can restrict the limit to the related videos at the bottom of the player. And we have something called playlist autoplay. If you enable this, and if you have this autoplay enabled, or if for example if you have 5 to 6 videos on a playlist, all 5 to 6 videos will play continuously if you have this options enabled. And if you have this one disabled, you can have the first video will start playing automatically and it will stop at the second video. And here about logo alpha, here you can say whether skin has to be auto hide or should show always. You can change the stage color. By default it is black. By default we provide two skins. You can select either one, and you can control, you can disable or enable the full screen, zoom, timer, share. You can mention the logo URL here so that if someone clicks the logo on the player, it will take them to the particular website. And you can select the option for a maximum upload. It depends upon the hosting provider. And related videos, you have three options here. Either you can disable the related videos completely, or you can have related videos just on the player, or if you want, if you can have the related videos just bottom of the player, or you can have the related videos or both the place. If you select enable both, it will appear both inside the player and also the bottom of the player. So these are settings that you can be easily managed from the Joomla component. And we have something called checklist, and in case if you have any problem with the component and the hosting provider, then it will show it here. For me it shows all 5 success. And if you have PHP 5 enabled on your hosting account, and you might having problem in playing YouTube videos, I mean by default PHP 5 disable this particular function, and we require this particular function to have YouTube videos playing without any problem. So in case if you have PHP 5 and if this function is disabled, you will get an error here. In that case, you have to create a note. You can open a notepad, just type in this function, save it as php.ini, and upload to the root of your web server. And same applies to file uploads. If you have if you have any warning or error here, just add this one more function, add this function to php.ini and upload the file. And these things about permissions issues, if you don't have full permission for videos uploads on YouTube url.php file, then you will have this you have an error message displayed here. In that situation, you have to give full permission for videos uploads and this particular file to have the component work smoothly. We have something called playlist, and this is mainly for modules. When you use modules in your website, you have to create a you'll be if you I mean in case if you're going to use a multiple modules on your website, then you have to create a playlist name here. And when you add videos, you'll be assigning a playlist, assigning the videos to that particular playlist. And when you create a models, you'll be assigning a playlist that you created here to the each model, so that for each pages you can have separate models if you'd like. And what are the playlists assigned to that particular models, it will start playing videos from that particular playlist. Okay, so that's it about Joomla component from HDFLV Player. If you have any doubts, you can always send us an email or create tickets from hdflvplayer.net. Thank you.